Hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. So, today is a coping day. I'm hard hit by my PTSD. Very hard today. It's a hard knocks life. Anyways, if you want to know, a very small explanation in the description of this video. I can elaborate, but what the hell, doesn't help. No need to be a bastard straight away. Oh, I just wanted to check if how much it was actually to buy. Yeah, look at this beautiful 6,000 hours. But okay, I got many lines. I also got I think I got ships up to highest rank up. I think in Germany as well. But what did I want to buy? Why didn't I choose this one? Was it because it was a Scheisse and Dyson research? One of these I couldn't buy. What the hell? What's wrong here? There was something about this why I didn't continue. Well, anyways, if you want to see me playing this, then watch my PTSD explode. Hehe, in a perhaps not so good way. Anyways, let's start. Let's hope this is going to be fun and not aggravating. Otherwise, just to show, I am in the progress of testing some of this software of mine. It's gonna be up, I don't know, perhaps free on Git or something like that. You just download it, and if you have legacy code, it's very clever bunny, I tell you. Very. Oh, I really enjoyed this map, especially yeah, this is hard. I used to in the old days. You just stay there and relying on other people to stay in their scouting and relying on. Oh my god! Ketova? God damn it, Ketova, this you bastard! So yeah, and this is a fast game. I'm going to get blocked for sure if I look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Look, did you see that shot? It's called the useless experience. Damn it. Oh, they destroyed my building. Ketova. Oh. Ooh. Fire. So yeah, basically it's gonna be a life struggling day today. It's not fun. I don't even think I can do my usual shit. That's for sure. I was supposed to go out for a hike today, but I really cannot concentrate. Run in. Oh my god. He was just like me in a very unlucky spot in my life, you know. God damn it. We just nice. Excellent. You know, when you can feel it in your bones, it's not good. Let's take this one. Oh my god. You know, I had some communication with the public very shit today. I actually got so mad I couldn't even feel my hands. I tell you, I really loathe those bastards. No, not all of them, of course. I know who they are now. It's mainly the Republican Party. Yeah, and I am not afraid to say that the Republican Party is the biggest fucking bunch of losers in the entire Faroe Islands. They have stolen such a shitload of resources from the society. It's unbelievable. And yes, with the letter today, yeah, you can thank people for starting the war all over again. And started it is. Look at that. Bastard. Готово? Готово that, you bastard. Whoopsie, whoopsie doopsie. Yes. So this is a loss, yeah? No surprise. I am playing this game. Let's see. Готово. Yes. Very happy new year, bastard. Nah. So, yeah, this is not good. Anyways, I used to be. I can say now. I used to be on a diet, but this week and has been absolutely fabulously bad for me. Fabulous. It was so bad. It's unbelievable bad. He's such a cunt. Yes, of course, bastards. So. Indeed. So let's struggle. We are struggling. We are struggling. Oh, I think I got like $3 back left, or euros, or whatever. Yeah, euros, funny money. Definitely would not accept it. So, you. And this slow bastard, we are of course going for that. And where are we at the into leveling? Into leveling, what was that? Oh yeah. 5,000, that is not that many games. I think. Let's see if I can, that's that. And let's just take that down. Oh. Yeah. So I think we are just going to have that on for a minute, because I need to replenish my my goodies.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
I was walking down a street late one night when my eyes beheld a sickening sight. For the wanker from number 10 began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he threw a bash. He used the taxpayers' cash, attended by the globalist trash. It reeked of power and cash. From his office high in 10 Downing Street, the wanker stepped out and joined the elite. The leeches came Richard III. She swung round the bash with a glass and a scroll, and wouldn't stop moaning about a black hole. She loved the bash, the Starmer bash. She brought a pipe and a bag of hash. She loved the bash, the Starmer bash. Oh, what a bash! Full of trash and hash. Angela Rayner gave him a scene. Pulled a Sharon Stone, moved bold and obscene. She crossed her legs and let out a howler, and Lord Alley fainted at the sight of her growler. She flashed her gas, a ginger growler flashed her ginger gas, They saw a pubic rash. She flashed her gas, a ginger growler flash. Oh, what a flash! One Lemmy's bottle crashed. Lemmy rocked up, thick as a brick. Accused Fatteridge of being some German prick. Said he'd grown a cervix at home, then declared black smoke meant Black Pope of Rome. He got pissed at the Starmer bash. Kissed Keir's ass for some extra cash. He loves the bash, the Starmer bash, where our souls thrive and nobbins clash. Has anyone seen Keir and Lord Alley? They went backstage, said they needed privacy. Ollie said he had some coke for Keir. Well, I think he said coke. For God's sake, Lammy, stop eating the potpourri. Angela, will you put a muzzle on that thing? And Rachel, stop bloody crying. I'm sure you'll find a way to plug your black hole.
DataGrip allows you to write SQL you'll love. Enjoy powerful code completion. AI. Support for more than 50 databases. DataGrip. Feel the difference with one tool for many databases.
Now, free for non-commercial use.
HeloCode is a powerful, open-source AI coding assistant that supercharges your development workflow right inside the SSO. But unlike other AI tools that just autocomplete what you're writing and create lines and lines of AI, HeloCode
Well,
is a full development partner that can
development? Hell no. Anyways, we're back. Coffee is in the cooker, and that is finished testing. Okay. Let's get this shit under control. Frames per. What's happening here? GPU and this help. Okay, I got a lot of shit going on. Okay, let's get this shit done. Let's get it done. Let's cut over this, whatever that means. I'm gonna have a marathon today, I think. Perhaps I'm gonna walk at I don't know, after 1800 hours, 1900 hours. I'm just barging in at the front door here. Me and that forfeit. I don't know. Here's no one can spell. Hey Google, how do you spell forfeit? That's the life from now on. I tell you, this software that I made. Oh my God! Deflection. Mommy. He's definitely. Готово. Is that ready? Nobody is here. Clever bunnies. Готово this, you bastard. Oh my God! That's stupid stuff with the aim when you hold down the. Oh. Готово. Oh. That's a good spot there. Reversing in my tractor. God damn it!
Один час.
Oh, don't.
450 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Недолет. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 500 метров. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 450 метров. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 450 метров. Мы раздулись. Вижу повреждения. Огонь! Вижу повреждения. Цель уничтожена. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 450 метров. Бронебойным готово. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 400 метров. Шрапнелью. Выстрел. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 500 метров. Танк 1 час. Дистанция 500 метров. Бронебойным готово. Танк 1 час.
What the
Дистанция
hell is this?
500 метров. Бронебойным. Нужна поддержка с воздуха. Бронебойным. Ходовая вышла из строя. Вижу повреждения.
My God. Yeah. Got over this. Granny Basher. Okay. We have. Oh my God. Let's take this. So, we just need that. Adjustment of fire, what the hell? Let's research that. Did we get any 40? What did we get? What can we get? Vitality and agility. Ah, let's just do that. And this. And quickly check if the coffee is ready. So we are back in all our misery. Should we just start? Yeah. I think I'm thinking of starting character in Star Citizen or whatever it's called. I used to play Evil Knight. But my PTSD and everything within that shitty syndrome, which I only can blame on, of course, bastards in the Pharaohs and their persecution of people, no better than any African country, by the way. Yeah, told you I behaved like terribly, and that's one of the unfortunately one of the symptoms. I'm living. It's like I heard somebody else say the other day. It's like driving a car, but you're in a car that's driving, but you're not in the driver's seat. So I'm far from it. You're not even yourself. That's for sure. Too many trees, I tell you. If we can just, oh, look at that.
Бронебойным готово! Гусеницы исправны! 6 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Воздух! Недолет! Танк 3 часа! Дистанция 550 метров! Бронебойным готово!
What is the bastard? Somewhere.
2 часа! Дистанция 300 метров! Цель уничтожена! Воздух! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 500 метров! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 650 метров! Недолет! Танк 1 час! Дистанция 550 метров! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 650 метров! Право! 002! Выстрел! Пулемет готов! Огонь! Бронебойным готово! Танк 1 час! Дистанция 350 метров! Цель уничтожена! Танк 1 час! Дистанция 400 метров! Цель подбита! Бронебойным готово! Вижу повреждения! Выстрел! Танк 2 часа! Дистанция 300 метров! Бронебойным готово! Попадание! Бронебойным готово!
Готово. Is he looking at me? Probably not.
Вижу повреждения! Цель уничтожена! Танк
Well, again, useless experience. But you know when ah. No, just as I was oh, hehehe. Well, it had to stop sometimes. Well, they're going.
Our victory is near. Авиация на подлете.
Hey, yeah. What the hell is it there, man? Got some camouflage. Again, I can't feel my hands. Oh my god. Some people say what should I what the hell happened here? Oh yeah, adjustment of fire. I got that. We need the engine. And definitely got some crew trainings, and we're going to take vitality. Don't die so fast. Again, I don't know if that works. I just read somewhere a couple of years ago that this is bullshit. So I don't know. Coffee. How far away are we? Still 5,000. Well, yeah, that's basically it. People. The coastal fleet is also good. Blue Water is also good, but they have a habit of kicking my ass out of the game because these the Blue Water battles, they're like 20 minutes long, and I play a kiting playstyle in my battleships, and I don't think some of the moderators that are on sometimes, the Russians, like kiting bastards. Yeah. Who cares? Who really cares? What are we going to do? We are going to play that one. I'm sorry, I just fell to pieces for a second or two.
Механик-водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжальщик к бою готов.
This is no good tank for this game. But you know, a girl needs to have fun. So we're gonna try to just aim for tracks. Look at that. Just we shouldn't be that close, huh? Damn it. Yeah. So we are just going to go straight up here. No. bastard. Oh. Oh, he got him.
4 часа! Дистанция 450 метров! 11 часов! Близко! Воздух! Вижу повреждения! Выстрел! Есть вперед!
God damn it.
Keep the pressure on! Victory is close! Танк! 11 часов! Упор! Цель подбита! Цель уничтожена! Танк! 12 часов! Дистанция 300 метров! Танк! 10 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Танк! 11 часов! Близко! Авиация на подлете!
Hey.
Внимание, воздух!
Oh. Okay, okay.
Артиллерия! Координаты! С-6! Уничтожить! С-6! Принял! Открываю огонь! Танк! 12 часов! Дистанция 450 метров! Нас подбили! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 400 метров! Артиллерия! Координаты! С-6! Уничтожить! С-6! Принял! Открываю огонь! Авиация на поддержке! Артиллерия! Координаты! С-6! Уничтожить! С-6! Принял! Миссия выполнена!
Okay. How much experience did we get for our beloved next tank? It's 1000 or not even that a game. Oh, I forgot to press that one. Oh, plus 30%. That was a sore miss for that game. Yeah. I'm struggling.
Jeg fatter ikke, man tørker. Nej, enig. Det gør jeg sgu ikke. Enig. Altså, jeg kører sgu da heller ikke op i spiren hver morgen og afleverer Hugo og Merle uden.
Here's to the lads in Westminster! May they drink their Guinness through a straw! Hurrah! To the wise men of Ottawa, Canberra and Paris, may they choke on their virtue signaling! Hurrah! And to the clowns in Madrid, Ankara and Dublin, may their speeches sink in the swamp of their own lies! Hurrah! Now sing it with me, boys! Louder than a banshee's wail! Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine. With your borders undefined and your justice misaligned, oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
The headlines all were blaring, a new state has been declared by men who've never walked the streets they claim to have prepared. No leaders, laws, or borders, but sure it sounds real grand. It's virtue signaled paper with blood upon their hands.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine. When your mob runs the street and the locals face defeat, oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
Two-tier Keir doesn't care when terrorists flex, but his coppers cuff a pensioner for hurty words on X. Our flags are called offensive, but Hamas can march with pride. It's justice for the chosen few, the rest get pushed aside.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine. With your two-tier law and your cowards guffaw, oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
Higgins, Ireland's goblin, spews venom at the Jews, while Sanchez in Madrid joins in his own folks' woes to lose. Two leaders, one obsession, their Israel hates a mosque, to hide their failing nations from the questions voters ask.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine.
When your leaders dodge the blame and their failures fan the flame, oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. Ramaphosa's ANC has plundered wealth with glee, ignores chance of kill the boar, no justice there to see. Iran's bribes fuel their legal case, a genocide they claim, but South Africans love Israel, ANC's just hiding shame.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine.
For your bribes and stolen gold, while your nation's left to fold, oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. Erdogan dreams of caliphates, a global throne to claim, backs terror while he postures with Israel as his blame. Why is this sultan still in NATO with bloodlust in his eyes? His jihad fantasies betray the alliance's lies.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine.
For your caliph's fevered
Dream and his terror-backed regime, oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
Albanese in Canberra with bushfires left to rot, paints Israel the villain to cool his unions hot. Cardi's Canada's a mess with debt and crime galore, yet both cry free Palestine to settle their own score.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine.
For your fires left to burn and your voters trust you spurn,
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
Macron thinks he's clever, says Palestine hurts Hamas. A brainless quip so daft, it's like he's sniffing his own gas. While Paris streets are torched by mobs he's too weak to restrain, he gives a state to terrorists to polish up his name.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine.
With your logic upside down, 'cause Sharia rules your town,
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
queers for Palestine march loud with rainbows in the street, but in Gaza's towers they'd be tossed from the concrete, chanting for a cause that hang 'em high without a care. It's irony so thick you choke on all their empty air.
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine.
For your rooftop bungee dive where no queer would stay alive,
Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
Greta flotilla sails with selfies, not a scrap of aid. Torches her own boats, then blames Israel's blockade. A tic-tac tantrum for the gram, her carbon footprint's vast. Her climate crusade's a circus, and the world's her selfie cast. Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine. With your boats that burn for clout, and your hashtag scream and shout. Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. Mahmoud Abbas plays the moderate, but funds pay to slay. More Jews you kill, more cash you get, his PA's bloody way. Their kids are taught to hate, not build with Israel as their aim. Not a state for them, but wiping Jews out fuels their twisted game. Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick it where the sun don't shine. With your hate taught in the schools and your terror's bloody rules. Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. We never asked for Palestine, it's not our daily fight. We won our towns, kept peaceful and our families safe at night. But mobs parade their foreign flags and terror fills the square, while leaders scold their own folk as if we were
Over there. No, you can stick. The sun don't shine. Okay.
mobs who burn for Palestine are no strangers to the clique. Grooming gangs and vandalism, they're closer than you think. Smashing windows, beating wives, and waving flags so bold. Their justice is a street fight, their morals bought and sold. Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine. You can stick
You get where the sun don't shine.
for your riots in the square and your crimes we can't compare. Oh, you know where you can shove your Palestine.
So we need to play this so we can get the extra points. So to get the KV one more, I think it's something like that.
Машина! Закрыть люки! Механик-водитель к бою готов! Заводчик к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою готов!
You think I can?
10 часов! Дистанция 800 метров! Вводи автомобиль!
I'm definitely spotted, huh?
Дистанция 700 метров! Первый positive, capture the zone! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 850 метров! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 800 метров! Перелет! Бронебойным готово! Attention to the map! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 750 метров! Право! 008! Недолет! Цель подбита! Танк 11 часов!
Distraction.
Дистанция 900 метров! Бронебойным готово! Вижу повреждения! 11 часов! Дистанция 850 метров! Бронебойным готово! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 850 метров! Танк 11 часов! Дистанция 850 метров!
This Salasa.
Самолет! 9 часов! Дистанция 1800 метров! Самолет! 9 часов! Дистанция 1800 метров! Самолет! 9 часов! Дистанция 1000 метров! Цель подбита! Самолет! 9 часов! Дистанция 800 метров! Цель уничтожена! Attention to the map! Enemy is winning! Cross counterattack! Нас подбили! Цель уничтожена! Attention to the map! Нужна поддержка с воздуха! Авиация на подлете!
Rockets? Oh my god. Ah. Bastard. Cheeky bastard. Who's first? Aye. Ah. Thought I would get the bow. Look at that. Okay, that was extra 500, and for 500 more we got some more ammo. That is for anti-aircraft, and we need that for sure. And here we got 8, 34, 1, 12. That's not enough for anything.
Бою! Закрыть люки! Механик-водитель, к бою готов! Наводчик к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою готов!
This is not a clear. This is a slope only. Oh my god, I'm struggling. Do-do-do-do-do. I am struggling. Every day I'm struggling. Of course, we load to announce our position. Yes, thank you. Bad luck perk. Anyways. Bastard! Yeah, gonna take that one. Shaky Bricky. God damn it.
Влево! 014! Есть! Бронебойным готово! Ходовая вышла из строя! Перелет!
Come on, man.
Убили!
Rough dead, man. $3K left. 3.5K.
К бою! Закрыть люки! Механик-водитель, к бою готов! Наводчик, к бою готов! Заряжающий, к бою готов! А! 11 часов! Дистанция 1100 метров!
Готово.
Пулемет готов! Бронебойным готово! Попадание! Бронебойным готово!
Yeah. Well, better than nothing, I mean. Yes, 380 more and a victory with 30%. So, and we got 17, maybe that's enough for something. Agility. And field repair we like, range finding we also like. What about loading? No. So we are taking range finding. Radio operator, agility. Okay, let's see what we got here. 700, one game, and I need to take a little pee, and we'll be right back. So, back. What's happening here? Nothing much. 700. Isn't that very much overpowered, that one? Or was it, yeah, yes. Or all of this line here. I think we have seen that. What the hell? Are you goddamn nuts? I knew it, I forgot something. But what then? Definitely we're gonna level this one to get this one. Level past that one bastard. Brand new and shiny.
Закрыть люди! Механик водитель к бою готов!
What?
Заряжающий к бою готов!
I don't get it. What the hell am I doing? I must have made something. What the hell? What was that? I don't know. Why was I driving a 3.7 when I had the 4? I must have misclicked somewhere. Oh my god, I had one shot. Oh! Haha, same kind of tank. Excellent. Granite motive. He's on fire. Chinese bastard. Fortunately. Oh. Oh, it's not going that well, eh? Team killing.
12 часов. Дистанция 350 метров. Thank you. Попадание. Бронебойный. Воздух. Бронебойным готово. Перелет. Бронебойным готово. Угроза артиллерийского удара! Бронебойным готово! Вижу повреждения! Авиация на подлете! Цель подбита! Бронебойным! Танк! 11 часов! Упор! Бронебойным готово! Цель подбита! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Сегодня автомобиль! 12 часов! Дистанция 300 метров! Вижу повреждения! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Угроза артиллерийского удара!
I need to, otherwise we're dead anyway.
2 часа! Упор! Попадание! Выстрел! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Самолет! 11 часов! Дистанция 500 метров!
Aye! Spetsnaz, god damn it. Huh? What do I got here? 24 of I don't use that shit. Inactive items. I got full of yeah. Universal backups. I need to go and buy something. Item shop. For this, it's not that. What is it called now? This shop, yeah. So when we get higher level, I can buy these. Yeah. I am still, oh my god, I didn't change. So basically, yes, fucked up again. So, we are waiting for the other battle to finish, so I can see if I made it or not. Okay, let's just take a game here while we'll wait for that.
Экипаж к бою. Водитель к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
I have been spotted, yeah? By the boss even. Come on, just don't die. come on!
Нас подбили! Заводчик без сознания! Нас подбили! После слетело! Повреждение! Самолет! Один час! Бронебойным готово!
Ready to move, move, move. I see the bombs drop somewhere.
Танк 11 часов. Дистанция 600 метров. Недалек. Attention to the designated grid, sir. Бронебойным готово! Попадание! Воздух! Бронебойным готово! Вижу повреждения! Бронебойным готово! Нас подбили! Цель уничтожена!
Well and truly lost. Yes, sir.
Восемь часов! Близко! Внимание! Воздух! Недалек! Вижу повреждения! Влево! Влево! Самолет! 10 часов! Дистанция 950 метров! Нас подбили!
Girl went. Yes. We will have this one, please. And we will level this shit. So many. Yes, but I think that was it for now, and we will talk again some